So today's a beginner lesson. Today we're dancing to I Don't Care by Justin Bieber and Ed Sheeran. And this song is pretty popular right now, and it's a really good summer song, and I can see it getting a lot of airplay. So in today's dance lesson, we're going to do the house dance move Swirl. I think it works best. It's covered in my EDM dance programs. Feel free to check it out, and here's a quick demo to it. Okay, so let's talk about the rhythm now. It's got a tricky syncopated beat that sounds like this. And I think a prerequisite to this lesson is that you should be able to step to the beat, just doing a basic stepping move. And Justin Bieber actually does this in his ice cream outfit. If you do have rhythm difficulties, I highly recommend that you check out the Despacito lesson where we just step on rhythm to a tricky beat. So once you have stepping down, for those of you who have my programs, if not, check out the link in the description. I also recommend some other club dance moves such as shoulder hits, like double shoulder hits, or grooving in a switch up pattern. And for those of you who have the Parntering program, then I recommend that you try some moves with a girl because it works really well. So some grinding, some basic turn patterns, as well as throwing some body rolls here and there. Okay, so let's get to today's move. So today we're doing the house dance move Swirl. I cover it in my EDM dance programs. It looks like this in its most basic form, but it can be done in a switch up pattern too, which I highly recommend. And there's a lot of variations you can add to it. Instead of just doing this, you can create movement as usual. You can add combos. You can let your hands flow out too. But since this is a beginner lesson, we need to get the basic swirl motion to that 3-2 rhythm. So I'm going to quickly cover the dance move here again, and then we're going to move on to a critical dance practice for you to get it down. Okay, so for Swirl, we're essentially just stepping, kind of doing like a step touch, but then it's more going side to side like this, and then jogging our hands. So the rhythm goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So try it with me on my count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try it again on my count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Now let's try it again, but this time we're going to create some motion. We're going to go back and forth. On my count, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so continuing on the topic of movement, we're going to do Swirl, but this time we're going to do a slow turn with it, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So take your time doing the turn. You don't have to do it at the same speed that I'm doing it. I just recommend that you kind of move into it slowly. If you're a beginner, of course, better dancers, you can do the turn at whatever speed you want. So on my count, follow me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so next I want to talk about hand movements. So hand movements, You should only do it if you got your rhythm down to the 3-2 rhythm. If not, make sure you check out the Despacito lesson. It's really important that you get stepping down on that rhythm. So once you have swirl down on rhythm without thinking about it, then you can start adding some hand movements. So simplest one is just to do swipes like this. If you're feeling good for intermediate or advanced dancers, you can start making your hands more flowy and bigger. And you can make arm waves, just like that pink hippo in the music video. So I highly recommend cheesy dance moves because it's all about having fun and not taking yourself so seriously. Okay, now in the practice, I'm gonna throw one more thing at the very end. It's a little more advanced. We're gonna do it in a switch up pattern. It's single, single, double up, single, single, double up, just like that. Of course, for beginners, rhythm is more important. You can skip that pattern section, and for intermediate or advanced dancers, feel free to follow me doing a switch up pattern. So let's just do the review of the switch up pattern quickly. On my count, 5, 6, 7, 8, single, single, double up, 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 single, single, double up. Great. All right, so let's move on to the practice to I Don't Care now. Hey, thanks so much for watching. For way more lessons and practices to I Don't Care, make sure you visit the link in the description.